Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the custom task type feature in Clickup. Custom task types are really handy if you want to organize tasks based on different workflows or project types, and they make managing tasks way easier. So, yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to use custom task types. Once you're in the right list, open a task or create a new one. Inside the task, look for the task type option. This is usually near the top of the task panel or under task settings. Click on it and you'll see default task types, but the real power comes from creating your own custom task type. To create a custom task type, click the option to add a new type. Give it a name that clearly represents the type of work it covers, like bug, feature, client request, or content piece. You can also assign a color to it, which helps visually differentiate task types on your board or list view. After creating the custom task type, you can apply it to tasks in this list. From now on, whenever you create a new task, you can select the custom type you want. This allows you to filter, sort, and organize tasks based on type, which makes workflows much more streamlined. Another useful tip is combining custom task types with custom fields. For example, if you have a task type called feature, you can add specific fields like priority, estimated hours, or testing status that only appear for that type. This helps keep tasks consistent and organized without cluttering other task types. Finally, you can use views like table, board, or list to group tasks by type. This makes it easy to see all tasks of a specific type at a glance. And you can even share filtered views with teammates or stakeholders for clarity. And that's it. Using custom task types in ClickUp helps organize your projects, improves workflow visibility, and makes task management much easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. So yeah, hope this helped and thanks for watching.